so today what we're going to be doing is we're going to be making iced dog treats for Coco. And I guess, right, let's get started. So, first what we're going to do is I'm going to make it out of some Greek yogurt, an apple, and some pumpkin or squash. I think this might be squash, but yeah. So, and you will need a silicone mold and, well, a knife to cut up the stuff. Now I have already pre-cutted some of the squash, so put one bit of squash into each of your molds. There we go, right. Ooh, there's two in that one. So let's do that. Right, now let's get the next step. So the next step is to I'll just cut up some apple. So I'll just cut up my apple in a row. Here we go. Now you want to try and cut out the middle. So oh, that's Coco wanting to go and play outside. So you want to try and cut out the middle. So we'll just do that by going like that. There we go, and then we take off that bit. There. Right, I'm going to cut it into really small pieces so that you can put it into your mould easily. Coco, it's okay. Yep, I might fast forward that bit. Okay, so we are done with that. Now we're going to... Okay, so for the next step, we're going to put the apple that we just chopped up in with the pumpkin or squash. Now with the fruits, obviously you can do whatever fruit you would like, as long as, well, obviously it's safe for your dog. But yeah, you can do any fruit you like that's safe for your dog. For Coco, her favourite squash, so that's why I'm doing that for her, because she absolutely loves it. Yeah, I'm not sure about apple, so I thought I'd try it out on her, because I think she'd quite like it. I'll break this in half. So, yes. Right, here we go. That's them so far. Okay, so the next step, as you can see I've got a spoon, is to put your yoghurt in your moulds. So, open up the yoghurt. Here we go. Yummy. Sure Coco would love it too. Oh, let's just quickly mix it all up. Right, now put a tiny little bit of yogurt in each of your moulds. Doesn't matter if it gets on the side, because we can always fix it up later. So just a tiny bit. I think that might have been a bit too much. Right, I'm going to speed it up. next step is to you can just like fix up your treats and cover up. You don't have to cover up all of the fruit, but you can just cover up some of it, or you don't have to cover it up at all. So I'm just going to do that real quick. Okay, so now we're done with that, I'm going to add some of this luxury liver paste, which is really good, and Coco really loves this. So I'm just going to add the tiniest bit on top each of these. A bit squelchy there. Right. There we go. Just going to add all we need to do is add the tiniest blob, and it will give it some flavouring, which is really good. And yeah. That's just Coco begging me for more food. You can probably smell this liver paste. So, when you're done with that, yes, I know. So, right, we're done now. Now, I'm not actually going to spread that all in because it will just, oh, actually I might. Yeah, I think I will. So I'm just going to spread that all in and come back when I'm done. Okay, so now that we've done that, they're looking a bit like this. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to add the finishing touches and add a bit more of this lovely pumpkin or squash. So let me add a tiny bit more of this and these dog treats, whatever you want to call them, will be done. So yeah, I'll come back to show you when they're finished. Okay, so I'm done with that. I've put all the bits of squash back in, and now we are complete. So we'll put them in the fridge, and I will show you what they're like when they are fully frozen, and we'll see if Coco likes them. Okay, so this is actually a few days later after I made them, but we're going to go and see how they are because she has been having some, but I haven't had time to film it. So yeah, you can just keep them in the freezer for a while. It only takes about 2 hours to actually freeze, and then they'll just stay like that. So should we go and get you a treat? Let's go and get them. Okay, so they're in this freezer down here. So let's get them out. So here they are. They have frozen pretty well. They're hard. So now you just press them up from the bottom, and they will come out. It's just they've been in here for a while, so they're not wanting to come out, but hang on. I'll be back in a sec. Okay, I managed to get it out. That's what it looks like. I'm just going to put that on the floor really quickly, and then we can go and give it to Coco, see if she likes them. There we go. Right, let's go and give this to Coco. Okay, so here it is. I put it in a bowl. So no, it's okay. Okay, right. Coco, come. Sit down. Wait. No, stay. Come. Yeah. And look. It's so yummy. You got not sweet potato. Pumpkin, liver paste, and yogurt. She likes to eat it all in one go and then just spit it out on the floor a couple of times. Was that nice? And then ends up licking the bowl clean and my hands because, I mean, why not? Was that yummy? Was that yummy? She's like, I want more. You can't have any more. Yeah?